Hello, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build train tracks. Now this is what you're going to be building today. So let's begin. First off, what you're going to do, you're going to add andesite staircases on the sides of the train tracks. Then you're going to build the gravel 5 blocks wide. Then after you're done with that, you're just going to put andesite stairs on the other side. Then what you got to do is you're going to add oak wood slabs, 1 block apart from each other. Then after you're done with that, we're going to add anvils. And there you go, you're done. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.